Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. I got a little red beauty for you today. 35 Ford truck built by Factory 5. That's right, Factory 5 built the entire truck. This thing is amazing. It's got an LS3 under the hood. She is driving just like a Cobra, man. I've had this thing around the block 2 or 3 times already. It is a hoot to drive. She is a beauty. I love the grill here. Grill looks like it's aluminum, and it might have a powder coat finish on it. Really looking sharp. Love the headlights. Love the red too, man. The red is just popping on this thing. It's very, very close to the same color red as my hot rod's got on it. And then as you look down the side, man, this thing is straight as an arrow. The guys that did the body work on this really spent a lot of time, got all these panels nice and straight. The fit and finish on everything is beautiful too. All the body lines, everything's lining up nice. Now this is a fiberglass car, and then we do have some aluminum parts in the bed and that. I tell you, we'll take a closer look at the bed here in a minute, and then look at the interior on this thing. I'm gonna climb in there later when we pull out with the camera here, and you can see how I fit in the car. Or the truck, I should say. That black interior is looking beautiful. I mean, just the fit and finish on everything is gorgeous. We got a tilt wheel there. It isn't automatic, so you don't have to worry about shifting gears. Just get in it, put it in drive, and go. We're gonna get this baby up on the lift and show you what the bottom side looks like. The finish here on the door is also looking beautiful. Now, I'm 5'11", and right now I'm 205 pounds. Even when I was 255 pounds, I think I would have fit in here just fine. I got plenty of headroom here. Of course, it's got the roll cage. I mean, this thing's ready to go, man. She is beautiful. So it's not bad to get in and out of at all. A lot of the street rods are way harder to get in and out than this truck. Now, the bed on this thing is beautiful. We've got what looks like oak here, and they took the time to get all the grain going in the same direction. So they put a lot of thought into it. Now, as you can see, it's not very deep because that axle's sunk up in there. But they put these tie downs in here. So if you wanted to put a cooler or something in there, there's one on each corner. You could strap your cooler in there real nice and easy, or your tent or your lawn chairs, whatever you want to haul around with you. Your fuel's going to go in right here, so that's easy to get at. Of course, the tailgate looks sweet. That Ford emblem also looking absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I love everything about this truck, the way it drives, and you want to talk about fast. LS3 power under the hood and this little baby. I bet this little truck only weighs about 2,800 pounds. So it's got giddy up and go. Now we're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see all the workmanship on the bottom side of it, and it's gonna freak you out, man. It's absolutely beautiful under there. So, guys, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own this car, and a lot of you may be thinking, what does that mean to you? Most classic car dealers sell on consignment. They sell just about anything that'll roll through the door, and they don't know much about the cars. Finding a Vanguard quality car isn't easy. Our team of 15 buyers review thousands of vehicles each month. Our inspectors travel all over the country to handpick each of our cars, which saves you time, money, and frustration. Think of us as your expert hands, eyes, and ears to make sure that you end up with the highest quality car. We have almost 50 team members here at Vanguard, and every one of us is a gearhead. Growing up around the Motor City, all of our families worked in the auto industry. I grew up working in the garage with my dad, and we worked on countless classics over the years. Around here, cars are a way of life. The 35 Factory 5 pickup truck. Let's go racing, baby. We got all kind of horsepower, LS3 horsepower under the hood of this baby. driving amazing. Now the cab is a little tight. I am 5'11", a little bit more, about 205 pounds. I fit in here. I got plenty of headroom. It's the leg room that you can't really stretch your legs out. Plenty of room to reach the pedals and all that good stuff. But I tell you what, the cool factory sure makes up for the uncomfortable factor. Tell you, I love it, man. Sounds amazing. She drives great too. Just listen to this baby. Love the way it sounds. Now I want to thank all 1.7 million of you who have already subscribed to our channel. That's a great way to keep track of us, especially if you hit that little bell button. Then we'll send you a notification whenever we get a new vehicle in, so you may be the first one to see the video. Just listen to it, man. I tell you, sounds amazing. Now, the dash is looking beautiful. All the gauges you need are right there. If you go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com, there's going to be about 100 pictures of the truck, inside, outside, bottom side. And that's what we're going to do right now, talking about the bottom side. We're going to take it back to the shop. We're going to put it up on the lift like we do every car at Vanguard. Wait till you see the bottom of this truck, man. It is amazing. Now, I'm just barely touching the accelerator. Super, super cool, man. Love it. And the paint job on the hood looking amazing. Tell you what, super cool little truck right here. Feel like I'm in the old NASCAR racing trucks. So we're right outside the Motor City here, so we'd love to have you come visit us or send your inspector. Here's the shop right here. We're located right here in the Motor City at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. This building is where our team of 15 world-class mechanics inspect and improve every one of our cars. All of our work is done in-house. Our mechanics only service the vehicles we sell. We start with a thorough inspection and test drive. Then our team gets to work. We take the time to learn each car and fix the things that I would fix if it was mine. If that means the engine needs to come out, then it comes out. When you purchase a classic car from an auction or another dealer, in most cases it hasn't been inspected or serviced. You may be in for some unpleasant surprises. At Vanguard, we save you from the headaches that cost you time and money by handling this process for you. Right down the road is our 40,000 square foot indoor showroom. This building is climate controlled and houses over 100 amazing vehicles. We're constantly bringing in new inventory, so you never know what might show up tomorrow. We're underneath this Factory 5 now, and man, it looks just like a Cobra or a Daytona under here. Of course, they started with the 8.8 rear end, 355 gear in there, and it is posi. And you see that setup they've got holding that rear end in there, man. It's like a ladder bar setup. Definitely cool. Big Panhard bar keeping it straight. And then again, this tubing is going in every which direction, man. I mean, they did a beautiful job. I can't imagine the amount of CAD work that went into designing all this. All painted up, looking good. Stainless steel, polished up exhaust. All the tin work on the bottom's been painted. Everything is nice and neat, just beautiful. 4-speed automatic trans. You can see everything just gorgeous. Now this is the electric power steering here. And then that front suspension is real similar to what they use on the Daytonas also. I tell you, it is really, really amazing it's like artwork under here. It's beautiful. Look at that front suspension too. Disc brakes up front. Of course, disc brakes out back too. I forgot to point that out. I mean, everything on this thing is beautiful. Now, the nose of this car or this truck is low to the ground, so keep it off the curbs, guys. I don't want to see it getting all scratched up. Tires are in beautiful shape. I really love the spokes too. These are the true spokes like back in the day. And it's even got the emblem like the old Ford V8 emblem, which is so cool. These are 245, 45, 18s. I wish all the numbers were that big. Now you can see they blacked out the bottom side of the fenders. Now it is a fiberglass fender, fiberglass running board. You can see all the paint work, all the detail work, everything neat as can be. Got extra support here, so if you want to step on that running board, you can. Now, if you're one of those guys that like to use your running board, you could actually get some of that rubber and put on those running boards. Now, out back, we got the same size, 245, 45, 18s, same good looking wheels, same good looking paint job. She's amazing. Let's get under that hood. LS3 power, 430 horse. Of course, it is looking beautiful under here. They got it all stuffed in here, nice and neat, shiny, power brakes, power steering. I told you about the electric power steering, air conditioning, and I tell you what, air conditioner will run you out of this thing. It works great. All the finishes in here look good. I mean, they did a beautiful job building this thing, man. It is absolutely gorgeous. All the wiring harnesses are looking good. All the plumbing is looking good. She is a beauty, guys. Now, the way to open this hood is right down, right by the driver's seat on the right rocker, on the left rocker panel there. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this little dream in your drive.